We live in a world of pushes and pulls. A bridge fights wind and weight. A sailboat is pushed by the breeze and dragged by the water. It seems chaotic, but there's a master key to understanding it all, a universal algorithm that can unlock the secrets of motion. First, you isolate the object, treating it like a single point in space. Second, you draw its free body diagram, mapping out every force with simple arrows: gravity down, support up, pushes, and friction. Third, you resolve any force acting at an odd angle into simple up-down and left-right components using basic trigonometry. Finally, you apply Newton's most famous law, that the net force equals mass times acceleration, separately for the horizontal and vertical directions. Isolate, draw, resolve, solve. Here's where it gets clever. Ever notice it's easier to pull a heavy suitcase at an angle than to push it horizontally? That's because when you pull the handle up and forward, the upward part of your pull helps lift the suitcase. The ground doesn't have to push up as hard. This normal force is reduced, and since friction depends directly on that normal force, less push from the ground means less friction fighting against you. You've used vector components to your advantage. This even works for things that don't move. A traffic light hanging from cables is in static equilibrium. It's a perfect stalemate. The upward pull from the tension in the cables exactly cancels out the downward pull of its own weight. All forces sum to zero. This four-step method is the engine room of physics. It synthesizes all of Newton's laws into one practical tool. It lets you take any mess of forces, find the single resulting net force, and predict the exact acceleration that will follow. You've just learned how to decode the complex interactions that govern our physical world.